These past couple days we've been working on addition with integers. We've had a couple of models that we've used. Problem like 3 plus -5. We've talked about money. We've talked about you have $3, and if you lose $5, well, you are $2 in the hole. Or we've talked about it's 3 degrees outside and it drops 5 degrees. Well, that's 2 below 0. Now, money and temperature are two really good ways to really build concepts for positive and negative numbers, because they're really intimate. We love money and we hate the cold, so we tend to learn from these things. Now, a lot of times it helps to draw a thermometer. And it's like, well, if we just focus on 0 and it's 3 degrees outside and the temperature drops 5 degrees, well, then, well, how far did we have to go to get to 0? That's a good thing to focus on. What is that distance? Okay, so how much is left? We're 2 left. We're at 2 below 0. For a problem like -4 plus 7, well, again, we can think about the thermometer. This time we're starting out at 4 below 0. Always good to know where 0, by the way, is on our thermometer, because that'll help us think a lot about what the answer is going to be. And if we're going up 7, we end up, again, how far? Well, how far did we have to travel to get to 0? Yeah, there's your answer. We had to go up 4. So we go, how much is left? Well, there's 3 left. How do we figure out 3, 7, and 4? How does that give us 3? Okay, so we start at -4 and we go up 7. We end up at +3. Of course, thermometers aren't always dignified and they look bad, so, the next advance is a number line. And really, again, focus on the 0 a lot. Always have a 0 on your number line. If we have something like, I don't know, what haven't we done yet? We haven't done like, well, how about -2 plus -4? All right, so I always like to think of this number as the starting point. So here's -2. Now that's a -4. Which way are we going to go if it's negative? Yeah, we're going to go to the left. We're going to go 4 to the left. So we were already 2 to the left of 0, and now we're going 4 more to the left. Where do we end up out here? And I hope you know that we end up at -6. Okay, one more example. Let's do something scary like -19 plus 24. You see, now here's where the wonder of the magic, all we need to know is where 0 is. Okay, we don't have to go -20, -9. We can't don't do that. Just look, that much. Here's -19. Whoops, there's supposed to be a 1 in that word. Okay, and then that's plus 24. That's 24 to the right. Now, is that more than this distance? It is. It's okay. What is this distance? This much is 19. All right, and we're going 24, so it's going to be over here somewhere. 24 to the right of -19. Well, that ate up 19 of it just getting to 0. How much is left? Yeah, there you go. We're at 5. And that reminds me, better do one more problem here. What is negative 8 plus 6? There's negative 8. Hey, that distance is 8. That's 6. So we're 6 closer to 0. We're 6 closer to 0 than where we were before. That's negative 2. Wow, what do we do to 8 and 6 to get 2? Do we always subtract? Let's see. This was 19. That's positive 5. Well, that looks like subtraction. Negative 2 plus negative 4. This is negative 6. Okay, well, what's special about this one? Negative 2, negative 4. Okay, let's look at the drawing. As opposed to...